Hello, today I'm going to be showing how to change the faucet stopper. It's very simple. This is all you need. Get something similar to what you're going to be replacing. I already finished it here, but I'm going to show you how it's done again. It's very simple. So I'm going to be recording with one hand and doing it with the other hand. Just loosen it. You don't have to take this off. If you're just doing the stopper itself, you can leave it all connected. You want to pull this out. I'm going to pull it out, and then you're going to have to get your old one out. Get your old one out if it's broken, and then you want to set this in like this. And then you come down here and you're going to be testing it right here. It opens and closes. Once you have that, then you can tighten this back up and use the plier real quick. And this can all be done in 1 or 2 minutes. And that's how simple it was. It takes about a minute or two, in and out. This is the kind of stopper that I used. You can buy this at Home Depot, Lowe's, and very simple.